a joy to watch hummingbirds up close on the hummingbird feeders. This is a gold winner in Muse Design Awards. And this one is really pretty too. Love the vibrant colors. This is blue and yellow. And this one is like blue, green, and red. I like that they are made of glass instead of plastic, which means they will last long. And the colors will stay vibrant over time. They come with large moats to keep the ants away. Very pretty design, which makes them super attractive to hummingbirds. The feeding ports are well designed and could only fit the hummingbirds like bill or beak, which will protect the nectars from bees. I have 2 hummingbird feeders here. They were sent to me by King's Yard. I really like this because this is made of glass. So with glass, it stays like clear and neat versus plastic, which like fades over time, changes color and then fades over time. To make a hummingbird nectar, all you need is a pure cane, granulated sugar, and then water. So the ratio is 1:4. So I have 2 cups of water here, and I need half a cup. This is half a cup of like sugar. And this is barley. There we go. It has a wide opening too. Look at the mouth. So it's really easy to add on the nectar. The size of this is just like perfect for the bill or the beak of hummingbirds. And 6 like hummingbirds could feed onto this feeder at the same time. Bird feeders. Bird feeders are sweet and thoughtful gifts to friends and family for Mother's Day, birthdays, Teacher's Day, and any other special occasion. Go check them out. They're from King's Yard. Links are down below if you are interested.